What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Worldwide Shenanigans. Today, it's a beach day. Is about a 30-minute drive to the beach, so Ben has been driving and now we are almost there. Our plan is to go near Santa Monica, but parking is always crazy, so we might drive up the PCH a bit towards Malibu. Made it to the beach. Thankfully, Santa Monica parking was actually easy today. So we just scoped out a spot. It's not too crowded. And there's Ben. And here's our towels. I am so happy it's such a beautiful day because previous times we've come to the beach, it's so much colder than it is where we are. In West Hollywood, which is more inland towards the mountains, it feels like 90, but we'll come to Santa Monica, Venice, Malibu, and it will feel like 70 degrees. And when we've gone to the beach before, it's been cloudy, not sunny, but today it's in the 80s and sunny, so best beach day ever. Overall, it's a pretty big beach. Like, to walk from the car to our spot probably takes like 5 or 10 minutes of walking through the sand, but you do park right along the sand. And there are restaurants, like there's a beach cafe right nearby. Of course, you can walk all the way down towards Santa Monica Pier where there's a million options. Guys, I just came out of the ocean and I was pummeled in there. The waves are huge. I had to get out of the ocean because I got so scared under one of the waves. It pulled me back under and I was kicking to the surface and it dragged me down. And I'm already sort of spooked by the ocean to begin with, so that was too much. My limit was met of the ocean and now I'm back on my towel. However, Ben is still out there in the ocean, so I can show you what he's doing. How is your beach day going, Ben?
What's up, everybody? I'm having a great time. We hit the water kind of when we first got here and it was super cold, but also filled with thrills. And now we've just been lounging on the sand, and I just did a photo shoot of Shannon.
Yes, thank you, Ben, for the photo shoot.
At her request. And
check it out on Instagram.
We're just enjoying our lazy Sunday.
Yeah.
Beach stuff.
Woohoo! We just saw some huge birds dive into the ocean and then chill like they were eating fish. Ben says they were pelicans. All I know is they are huge and had a good lunch. debating if I should go back. Honestly, still very scared from those huge waves literally dragging me under. I could not get to the surface. But maybe this time I'll just go in to like my waist, so it won't be that bad. It's just such a nice day, so I would like to be in the water. Update, so I did go back in the water. Ben took us out sort of far, but nothing crazy happened. However, Ben was sort of doing a little photo shoot in the water, and a woman complimented him and me on the pics, so that was nice. There's just something so nice about the look of mountains next to ocean and mountains blending into the water. So I do love that about the beaches here in LA. We've been at the beach for what, about 3 hours now?
So like 3 days.
We are about to head out. If it was up to me, we'd be here all day. If it was up to Ben, we'd be inside. So about 3 hours is good. We are on our way back home from the beach now. It was a great beach day, and now we've got that 25-30 minute drive back to West Hollywood. Definitely recommend going to the Santa Monica beach on a hot day. Again, if it's hot in like West Hollywood, Burbank, over by the mountains, it will be cooler by the beach. Tons of restaurants, bathrooms, people selling things, lots going on, and it's just a big, beautiful beach.
Make sure you all come wearing sandals, cause my toes be barking from that hot, hot sand.
It is hot, hot sand. Thank you all so much for watching, and we'll catch you next time on Worldwide Shenanigans.
Peace out, party people.
Oh!